So now let's work on this create post component. So user will be able to create post with title, body and the image, right? Okay, let's work on that. So first of all, I'll be importing use state hook, use state hook. Here I can create const state, right? I can give it a name of title and set title, and initially this will be empty. Use state and empty. Okay, I can duplicate that by pressing Alt Shift down key, and here body body and set body body. Okay, so I can write everything on a new line in here. In here I can add on change. Yeah, we'll be receiving event, and simultaneously I'll be updating this set title, and this will be event dot target dot value, like so, and I'll give this a value prop, and the value will be equal to title. So our state and this input are in sync with each other, right? So I'll copy this, Control C. I'll give this in here as well. Here I can write body, yeah, and set body. Okay, and here I'll be getting one more hook, that is image and set image, and this will be initially empty. Now in this input, we can add some stuff. So first of all, I'll be adding on change, 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 and we'll be receiving an event. And what I will do, I will console. First of all, I'll do a console.log and event.target.file, maybe something like that. I don't know. Yeah, it is files. So I'll do this files. Yeah, this one. Okay. And yeah, for now let's save this and let's see if try to select any file. I'll click on this create post. I'll click on this upload. I'll change this path, Control V. Right, I'll select this image. Okay, now in console you can see we have this file list. It is an array. Inside this 0 we have this details of the image, right? We have this type, we have this image, and a lot of stuff, right? So we need this file object, right? Okay, so we can access it from this 0th index, right? So we have this array. Inside this array we have the 0th index, and it has all the details. So instead of console.log, I'll update my state, right? So I'll update my state set image, yeah, like so. And now I can post this all the data to the backend. But before posting in here, I need to upload this image to a separate storage service. So I'll be using this cloudinary to upload my images, and we'll be storing the URL of that in our database. Okay, so you can sign up to this cloudinary account if you don't have. So but in the sign up you need to remember one thing: you should customize this name, right? You need to customize this name. This is basically a cloud name, so you should always customize this name, okay, while signing up. But I will log in into my account because I already have account, so I'll log in into my account. So when you will sign in your account, sign up in your account, you need to verify your email, and you will see some kind of screen like this. So you can close that. Okay. Now what you need to do is you need to click on the settings, and in the setting click on this upload, right? And here you need to enable this enable unsigned uploading, right? Now in here maybe you can add upload preset, yeah, and you can give it a name of, let's say, insta clone maybe, right? Signing mode will be unsigned, yeah, and I think you can save this. Okay, yeah, so we have this insta cloned and mode unsigned. Okay, So now I will be saving this in our cloudinary. So I'll go to again my home screen, but remember here this insta clone, right? Remember this name, right? Because we'll be making use of that. So you can use whatever name you like. Okay. Yeah. So I'll go to this home page of the cloudinary. Okay. So yeah, now I can go to my code part. Let's create a method in here, right? Const post details. So first of all, we will be posting our image, then we will be making a separate network request to our Node.js server, right? Okay. So in here, first of all, we need to create a data, and this will be equal to new form f is capital form data. Now because we are uploading a file in here, so we need to use this form data. If you don't know this, then you can google about, right, fetch post, right? You can google about that and you can read the on this Mozilla, right? Here I'll search for control F file. Yeah, here you can see, in order to upload file you need to create a new form data, and we need to append some stuff in here, right? And then we can attach that in the body, right? Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, so you can always follow the documentation whenever you find some stuff confusing. So in this data we need to append some stuff. So we'll be appending first of all the file, and the file, we have the file in this image, right? We have the file in this image, right? Because we are updating our image, right? Okay. Yeah, then we need to append some more stuff, and that is upload underscore preset, and the name of that is insta clone, and insta clone, remember we gave this insta clone as clone name, right? In here, remember, not in here, in the setting, in this upload, and yeah, this one, right? Insta clone. Okay, so make sure you use your name, right? Okay, we need to append some more stuff, right? We need to append a cloud name as well. So cloud name will be cloud underscore name. Remember I told you to customize your name while signing up, right? So that was a cloud name. So mine is CNQ, right? You can find your cloud name here, right? In here. So mine is CNQ. Make sure you use your name, right? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So now I can make a network request, fetch, and now we can make a network request for you, and you can find the URL of that in the home page. You can click on in this more, and you can copy this base URL, control C, minimize that, open VS Code, and you can paste this. But in here you need to put some more stuff, slash image and slash upload upload, like so. You need to add these two things as well, right? You need to append these two things in this URL, right? Okay, I think that's pretty much it. And we need to make a post request. So as a second option we'll be passing method, and that is post, right? Okay, and in this body, now finally we can use this data, attach this data in this body, like so. Okay, now we can chain on then, and we will get a response. First of all we'll pass that response to JSON. Okay, and then we will successfully get the data, and I think I need to put this, right, arrow. Okay, so I can console.log the data, and if something went wrong, then I can catch that in catch block error, and I can console log error, right? Okay, so now let's test this. So we will be calling this post details, right? When user will click on this submit post, right? Okay, const, oh, not const, on click, yeah, on click, post details, likes. Let's save this. Okay, so right now we are just testing our cloudinary, right? We are just testing cloudinary, so we'll be just uploading image, not the title and body, because we are not posting anything related on the backend, but instead we are just, oh, I'll copy this, oh, I'll use this image and I'll click on the submit post and I'll wait for a response in this console, right? Okay, now you can see, amazing, we have got a response. Inside this response we have this URL. Now if I can copy this URL some way, oh yeah, I can do that, control C, and now let's go here and now let's remove this quotes and let's see our image, right? Now you can see our image has successfully been posted in cloudinary. Now you can go to your cloudinary and click on this media and you can see what image you posted, right? Yeah, okay, you can close this. Yeah, this is the image, right? You can see this new, and yeah, this one we posted, just posted, right? Okay, this is amazing, right? Isn't it? Okay, so we have this URL, right? We have this URL, and there is secure URL that it has HTTPS, so you can use any one of them. You can use this either URL, you can use this URL. Secure URL has this HTTPS and it has HTTP. You can use any one of them. Okay, so now what I will do, I will create one more state in here. I'll shift down key and instead here I'll be writing the URL like so, and set URL like so, and initially this will be empty. Okay, now what I was saying, once you will get the data, you can update the state, right? Set URL and data dot URL. We have this URL, right, in the console.log, right? We have this URL in the data. Okay, I think now we can make a separate request, network request, to a server to post the data, right? Okay, now before posting that, what I will do, I'll close this client and instead I'll open my server. In my models, in this post model, there is a photo and I'll get rid of this default and instead I'll copy this and I'll make this photo required, right? Okay, let's save this. Now I need to go to routes and the post route, create post. In here we'll be getting URL as well, and here we'll be adding one more condition, if URL is empty, right? Or maybe we can add a pic, right? Pic will be a more good name, pic, PIC, pic. Okay, and in here we will be adding pic as well, right? Pic will be equal to pic. Okay, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Okay, yeah, let's save this, right? And let's see if our server has restarted. Okay, server has restarted. Okay, it's beautiful. And let's make a request. Now let's first see the route where we want to make a request, so that is create post. Okay, we can do that. So fetch and control V, create post, or we can copy that from sign in, maybe some of the stuff in here, isn't it? Yeah, we can copy that basic code, right? Okay, so I think we are done with that, right? Okay, so we are making a two separate network request, once on a cloudinary, so this will take a little bit while to create a post, right? Yeah, this will take a little bit of the while, or we can create maybe a separate method to do this stuff, right? Maybe it's fine, it's fine. Okay, we can do all this stuff in this separate in the single function as only, right? Okay, so we are making, and in this body we need to add what all things we want to post. We want to post the title, right? And title will be equal to title, the key and the value both will be same, so I can just condense this down to title. Similarly for the body, but yeah, but we need to send something called as pic, and that pic will be equal to the URL, right? URL this one, right? And we are setting this when we are successfully getting it. Where is that? Yeah, no, where is that? Yeah, this one. We are updating when image is being stored in the cloud, right? Okay, so what else left? I think everything should be perfect, right? If there's the error, then we are showing we can get rid of this console.log. Okay, and if the user has created the post, we can navigate user to slash. Okay, this is also perfect. And here maybe I can show the message created post SUCCESSFU successfully, and I need to go to sign in, and I need to copy this history and this materialize. Control C, Control V. I need to import history as well. Import some stuff. Use not use. Import from React router DOM, and that is called history. Use history, and I can initialize that const. Okay, and initially this will be yeah, this is fine. Okay, I think we are almost done, so let's test this, and if we will have error we will solve that, right? No big deal, right? Okay, so let's add title amazing AMA amazing weather, and maybe title I am enjoying today's weather. Okay, we can upload the image, and yeah, maybe this one. We can click on the submit post. You must be logged in. Oh, I think that is a protected resource. Let's have a look on the where is that post? Oh, that is a protected resource, so we must be logged in. Okay, okay. So I think this is enough for the video. We'll be working on how to do access the protected resource, right? Actually, we need to attach the token, right, with this header. So I'll work on that in the next video. We'll be working because video is getting too long. So I'll see you guys in the next video.